Page 8, Menuet and Rondeau. I'm not going to try and pronounce those words. I don't speak French, so that's as close as I'm getting right there. Let's look it over and see what we have. We got eighth notes going nuts is what we have. It's 2 pages of music. Now there's repeats. That's okay. 2 pages of music to learn. Treble, bass, clef, no sharps or flats in the key signature. This is in the key of C major, so if you're doing the scales, do C major scale. If you're doing minor scales, go ahead and do the A minor scale also. And 3/4 time. What's a minuet? Minuet's generally in 3/4 time. Let's make sure the fingering works okay. I want to connect the notes if I can. Eighth notes, 1 and 2 and. That's all I did. Now measure 4, you can scratch them as 5. Or they have an alternate fingering of a 2 on 3. I'll leave that up to you because there's 2 possible fingerings there. Either one's fine. Same thing at the bottom of the page. It's what, measure 12? Alternate fingerings. You can use the 5 one or the 2 on 3. Same difference whatsoever. That's pretty much it for the right hand. The left hand, here, just connect them. What's going on in measures 7 and 8? We're here. Half note, hold it down. And then you got, I want to do a 2, but I can't because I'm going to need 2 later. So I'm going to have to do a thumb again. And then hold that down. And now hold that down. And you got that. That quarter note is tied to another quarter note to hold it down. Measure 14, you're here. And then measure 15, same thing. Hold the half note down. Hold the half note down. Then lift up. Not a lot of help there. We kind of have to do that. And then the last 2 measures at the bottom. We're here. Hold the half note down. And again, now you're going to need thumb again in the last measure. Come down. Then I'll put them together. And I'll hesitate at first, but that's okay. Then here, here. And then I'll go back over just a couple measures or so at a time, and I'll work out the hesitations slowly, but work them out. And after that, I think about the articulation. And they don't give much of any articulation. I suggest you connect the eighth notes. This, I don't know how hard you want to make it. You can interpret this in a way where if the notes are just a step apart, this is. See, all of those are next to each other. You connect those. But anything bigger than that, you can separate. So it's. Yeah, they do give you a few slurs there. However, in my opinion, just as well connect it. Either connect them all or don't connect it. Just separate them. You connect the slurred ones. Otherwise, you could just separate all the others. But you're going to connect the right hand. So forth. Or connect the left hand. Whichever is easier for you. Now, there's a note at the bottom of the page here that says you can do this in a long, short fashion. On these, you can play more of a swing style. They didn't have a swing back in that time, and this is for French stuff. This is the way the French. Just feel it. 1, 2, 3, 1. I got ahead of myself. We do dynamics. It applies to the melody, which is the right hand. Loud at first. Measure 5 is soft. Echo it. Measure 9 loud. Measure 13 soft. Measure 17 just like, well, measure 16 you're soft, and this come back to about moderately loud here. But this is going to be loud, soft. And then what? Measure 21 is soft, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Speed. Allegretto's in between moderato and allegro. Moderato would be like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Allegro is quick. 1, 2, 3. Well, then the eighth notes go crazy. Yeah. Well, allegrato's in between. So it's about a 1, 2, 3. However you want to do the long shorts, you got to slow it down a little more. And remember that a speed has to do with the overall feel of the piece, not the speed of the beat. It might be the speed of the beat, or it might not. And if you're going to rock it, don't go too fast. I'm not going to swing the rhythm here. I'm going to play them straight, but just... To play it at that speed, you play it at your speed. Remember the natural accents, they're very important. And 3/4 time is the first beat of the measure. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Feel these as you go through. And when you divide beats up, each beat gets just a little 1, 2, and 3, and 1 and 2. Whatever the notes are, the point is, feel these. I'm exaggerating them so you can hear them better, but you just feel these as you play anything. Feel the natural accents.